New TSN feature. Today we're excited to show you how to connect your Google Slides to your TSN platform. In your platform, select Content. In the upper right corner, click Upload Content. Choose Slides under Landscape. In the dialog box, select groups you wish to have access. Name your slides, then Add Screens. Scroll down and click Add Slides. Log into your Google account. A new window will open prompting you to sign in to your account. If you don't see this window, check your pop-up settings. Select the Google account you want to connect. Authorized. Select the slides to import to your platform. Make any changes, then click Done. Choose your settings, such as how often the slides should change, then click Done. Your slides now show in Content. Any changes made to the Google Slides added will auto-update in your TSN platform.